Hello teacher friends, welcome back again to your favorite channel all in assignment teacher friends. I have promised you that I will get EVS papers and all papers of MTET 2021 as per latest syllabus of 2021 MTET. Okay, then I have already prepared CDP pedagogy and with complete means CDP with complete notes and more than 350 probable questions in form of MCQ. And then if you talk about English, then I have also prepared, and in that paper you will get complete notes with more than 250 MCQ questions. If we talk about mathematics pedagogy, then you will get complete notes and 150 plus probable questions in the form of MCQ. And if we talk about EVS paper 1 and EVS section A complete from section A contains pedagogy, and from section A you will get 15 marks and 15 questions in your exam. So I have prepared complete note and more than 150 questions. Let's discuss and came to know how did I make this assignment, this note. I will show you not completely, just key points. You can see that unit 1, that is nature and scope. You can see on your screen that unit 1 nature and scope, importance of teaching learning EVS at primary stage. Unit 2 learning objectives of EVS with reference to NCEP 2005. Unit 3 assessment type of assessment, types of assessment, purpose of assessment, tools and techniques for assessing EVS. Unit 4 learning resources including local resources. Unit 5 approaches to teaching learning EVS, observation, discussion, projects, experiment, problem solving activity based. Friends, the last year syllabus has changed, has completely changed, and the new syllabus is this PDF. If you didn't get the PDF of syllabus, you can follow my channel and you can get a video how to download the syllabus, complete syllabus of 2021 MTET syllabus. Okay, then I will show you that what I have preferred for you for the MTET complete notes and important questions, probable questions in form of MCQ. You can show friends, you can see here friends that you can see here nature and scope. I have pointing the red marks for the importance of this point. You can find out what points you have to remember and what points you have to note down your note for the preparation to the MTET 2021. Friends, you can show that nature and scope I have prepared, and again I will show you that next unit 2 I will show you that. Just wait, unit 2, this is unit 2, that is national curriculum framework. Unit 2 you can see national curriculum framework NCEP 2005. You can see I have prepared according to the syllabus. I have described about the national curriculum framework and all this about national curriculum framework, what says NCEP 2005 about EVS. Unit 3, you can see that unit 3 you see assessment, what type of assessment, purpose of assessment. Just example, you can see assessment means continuous and comprehensive evaluation, meaning types, aims, features, aspects, and I have described all about this of assessment, how to assess EVS among the students. And unit 4 you can get unit 4 learning resources including local resources. Unit 4 you can get teaching material, what kind of teaching material should be used in the class of EVS teaching, and all the criteria of resources, what should be used by the teachers according to their availability. And unit 5 you can see, unit 5 says about approaches of teaching EVS, observation, discussion, projects. I have prepared according to them. You can see consider observation approach, all the approaches and all the points are mentioned here, for which you can get confused, you can get no clumsivity in your support and in your preparation. And after that, and I have prepared some questions which will be helpful for MTET 2021, and you can get from this PDF more than 150 questions, okay, which are mostly important, maybe come in your exam for the next exam 2021 MTET. Okay friends, hope you will get this video, and if you want to get my PDF from your get my PDF, then you can contact me, you can WhatsApp me, you can get my WhatsApp number in this format. You can get my WhatsApp number, this is my WhatsApp number, and you can also call me in this number, and you can get the description link to contact me. Thank you friends, have a nice day.